the equation. 2x square minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Find an equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 by alpha and beta plus 1 by beta. So given equation is therefore alpha plus beta equals to minus of minus 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Alpha into beta equals to 4 by 2, that is 2. We have to find an equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 by alpha and beta plus 1 by beta. That is, we have to find sum of these two roots and product of these two roots. Therefore sum of these two roots is alpha plus 1 by alpha, beta plus 1 by beta. That equals to alpha plus beta plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equals to alpha plus beta plus alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is 3 by 2. Alpha into beta is 2 is equals to 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 is equals to 9 by 4. And product of these two roots is alpha plus 1 by alpha into beta plus 1 by beta. So alpha into beta plus alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 1 by alpha beta. So alpha beta plus 1 by alpha beta plus alpha beta, alpha square plus beta square. Alpha beta is equals to 2. 1 by alpha beta is 2 plus alpha square beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. 2 plus half plus alpha plus beta whole square, so alpha plus beta replaced by 3 by 2 square minus 2 into alpha beta is 2 by alpha beta is 2, so 2 plus half is 5 by 2 plus 9 by 4 minus 4 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 9 16 minus 7 by 8. So 4 5s are 20, 20 minus 7, 13 by 8. Therefore required equation is x square minus sum of roots. Sum of roots is 9 by 4 into x plus product of roots is 13 by 8 is equals to 0. That implies 8x square minus 18x plus 13 equal to 0. आंसर मिल लो. Equation is c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac equal to 0 are equal. Then prove that either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So given equation is this is equation 1. since roots of equation 1 are equal, so discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant of the equation 1 is 0. That implies minus 2 into a square for the equation ax square bx plus c equal to 0. Discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. Here b equals to minus 2 into a square minus bc. A equals to c square into c square minus ab, and c equals to b square minus ac. So b square minus 4ac, or discriminant equals to b is replaced by minus 2 into b square minus bc minus 4 into a is replaced by c square minus ab, and c is replaced by b square minus ac equal to 0. So 4 into a square minus bc whole square minus 4 into c square b square minus a c cube minus a b cube plus a square b c equal to 0. A to the power 4 plus b square c square minus 2 a square bc. Applying the formula a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4 into b square c square plus 4 into a c cube plus 4 into a b cube minus 4 into a square b. Sorry, we take 4 common from the brackets. Four into a square bc equal to 0. That implies a to the power 4 plus ab cube plus ac cube minus 2a square bc minus a square bc minus 3 a square bc, and minus b square c square and plus b square c square cancel each other, so we take common a from the bracket. So within bracket it becomes a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. So either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. That implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. Proved.